everyone. Is your home your happy space? Is your home your heaven on earth? Nowadays, because of the lockdown, we are all staying at home more often. But yet, many people have told me that they're not happy being home. Have you also felt that you are not happy being home? You'd rather be out? Do you feel that nobody appreciates you, nobody cares for you? Do you feel that you have to make all the adjustments? Do you have a lot of fights with your family members? Now this can easily be changed. If we only tweak ourselves a little bit, adopt some good habits and some good behavior, we can definitely make our homes into the happy space we want it to be. I would like to share with you today the ABCD of home etiquette, which I have shared with a lot of my clients, and there has been a huge difference in their lives. But before that, I would like to share with you one incident which happened a few years ago. Datamatics company had sent 2 of their drivers to me, and I had to groom them professionally because they were ferrying around international passengers. So imagine my happiness when after 3 months of completion of their course, these drivers came to meet me one day with a box of mithai, and they said that Madam ji, आपकी वजह से हमारी पूरी लाइफ चेंज हो गई और देखिए अब हम कितने खुश हैं. This was a feather in my cap. Now, what were the things that I told them to change which led to their happiness? I realized that if I had to help them professionally, I had to first see that their personal lives were more happier and more positive. So let me begin with the A, which was appreciate, adjust, accommodate, and don't argue. There's one quote that I would like to share, which is, do not get upset with people or situations. They are powerless without your reaction. And that is exactly what I told them to do. I told them to deal with arguments in a calm and composed manner and respond to a situation and not react to it. I also told them to appreciate more and criticize less. I also told them that it was important to see everybody's perspectives and to adjust with people because everybody is different. They have their own idiosyncrasies and peculiarities. And this rubbed off on the other 10 men as well who were sharing the room with them. And there was a big difference in the way they started behaving towards each other. B is for begin your day beautifully. So every morning they had to begin with a prayer, and they soon realized that because the prayers were going on, everybody woke up with a good mood. Nobody was shouting, nobody was fighting, and that led to a very positive day ahead. C was to remove the clutter, declutter, and clean up their home. And once they did that, there was a lot of positive vibe in the house. Also, they started keeping things back in the right place, which most of us don't do. And I believe a lot of bickering happens in the homes because somebody's taken the car keys and not left them back in the key holder. Somebody's taken the bottle of ketchup from the refrigerator and left it lying somewhere else. So time and energy is wasted in searching for these things, and that leads to a lot of stress. The fourth thing which I consider very important is dressing. So if you dress well, and by dress well, I don't mean wearing great clothes in the house, designer outfits. I mean wearing clean, fresh clothes every time you're back from work, and wearing a fresh pair of night clothes at night, which are kept only to be worn at night. And this will definitely ensure that you have a good night's sleep and you wake up fresh. Remember, your dressing, your clothing has a definite impact on your mood and your behavior, and this has been proved. So studies have proved this. and these drivers started wearing a night suit at night. They, of course, they were kurta pajamas, but they found that it made a big difference to their sleep and their mood in the morning. These are the 4 most important tips that I would like to share with you today, and I hope it will help you as well to make your home into a heaven on earth. Thank you so much for listening to me. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share this video, and also please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for listening to me. This is Rashida Kapadia, your image consultant, etiquette coach, corporate trainer, life and style guru, signing off.